After our first train ride in India, which absolutely exceeded our expectations, it was time for the next one from Agra to Delhi. Speaking of Delhi, there is a, let's call it condition, which is called the Delhi belly. It's basically a dysfunctional bowel movement due to large intakes of Indian spicy food. While having acquired this Indian power-up, we are getting ready for our second train experience.
We have the Delhi belly.
Yeah, they call it the Delhi belly. We already got electrolytes. India vlogs will not be the happiest and most energetic vlogs. Give me some pills maybe. Happy pills. Yay! We're prepared. So the app says it can be on schedule. The last stop it had 1.5 hour delay, but it still tells me for our stop it's just 2 minutes delay. I think it's just kind of a mathematical algorithm that estimates it's going to catch up, but I don't think so.
Let's get an Uber. I feel like when your belly doesn't work, your whole body doesn't work.
Absolutely. Yeah. You can drink electrolytes and hope for the best. Saying the train is delayed again. Let's just head to platform number 2. Hope we don't need a toilet and hope the train will arrive.
Welcome to another sick travel day here on the channel. Got problems, worst problems. I think I've never anticipated a train with more joy than this one. I just want to lay down, drink water and sleep. It's gonna be a 3-hour train ride from Delhi, so let's see how that works out. The train just got announced.
Interesting theory. Every time you're in a new country, you're like super overwhelmed what's happening, you don't know how it's working and yada yada. And after 2 weeks you adjusted so much, nothing bothers you anymore.
Whatever she said.
Ice cream.
Yes, it's here?
Yeah. Welcome to our next 3 hours.
So this is kind of a different kind of train. I think it's a very older one.
And I can't even sit straight.
It's real leather, old. You're too tall.
Oh yeah.
You're so handsome at your side.
Welcome to my bunk bed here in India. Gotta admit, it's quite comfy. I mean, can almost stretch out. It's nice to just lay down in a quiet and cool space. I'm telling you, the Delhi belly got us.
First impressions, different train than the other one. So we have this old kind of, I think it's like real leather because it's really old. We are sitting on the upper levels here with some leftover food from someone else. I think it's really nice because even though it might not be the fancy train, I mean you have a lot of space. Hole in the ground, something to clean yourself, see-through window, the trash bin, and the sink, even with soap. So I think all in all, fine. That's it for this time. Ta-da! I'm back.
You went to the toilet or?
Oh, it actually smells nicer than the other train.
Gotta say, it's pretty nice. Back in the days, in my military career, I learned to be satisfied with very little.
I remind you.
The next time I'm complaining about something.
This is not how it's supposed to be. And Sascha just confessed. I was not allowed to say that, but he said it.
We feel a bit homesick.
Oh, yes, we do. It's because we are not super healthy. That's normal, probably.
I just rode with a friend from that I know 20 years probably, and yeah, it made me a bit emotional.
Gonna get better. I think it's just someone really, really heavy just tries to get on the bed there. That's how it feels. Yeah.
While having intercourse. Could you imagine doing that here?
Absolutely not.
Since I'm flat like this, the belly situation improved dramatically, so I don't want to complain about the train being late. I am on a train, there's AC, we have water, we have ourselves. Huh?
Aww. We're listening to a podcast now because we don't feel like running around, but we try to get some B-roll from outside, and also after the next station we'll try to lean out the door because that's a bucket list to do.
Podcast just mentioned diarrhea, and both of us were like,
Why we are looking so forward to arriving at Delhi? Because we found an Airbnb, which is the loveliest Airbnb that you could probably have in Delhi. It's like a very peaceful oasis, super beautiful interior. There's staff that makes you coffee, roof terrace with plants, and in 2 days he's taking us to his friends to celebrate Holi with him. So it's like, this is what you always looking for at Airbnb, right? Even if I would need to find, as a German, something to complain, I don't find anything. Isn't that great?
we made it. Let's get the metro.
The first stretch of the ride was completed, but little did we know that the real challenge was just getting started. The metro was not connected to the train station yet, and we needed to walk for forever and pull our last strength together until this happened.
Okay, I just had a little breakdown. The last energy I used to deflect all the cab drivers out there, the chaos. I mean, you've seen it. It's just nuts, and when you feel sick, it's just the last thing you need. So I'm resting here a bit, or already feel better. Maybe drink a sip, and then we're gonna take the cab.
Maybe in the next metro station.
It's okay. Yeah, some sugar.
Okay, one stop and then we change.
And then we're home.
Anything else?
No. Thank you so much.
Something do for you?
No, I just sip his cola. Hero of the day. Just get help from a local accompanying you home. This is so sweet.
Just imagine, we just met a stranger who's not a stranger anymore, and he just helps us in our condition of exhaustion. That's super nice. Thank you if you see that.
With the incredible help of our new Indian friend, we made it home safe and sound, got back to our Airbnb where we did just rest for the next few days. Got healthy again and could celebrate Holi in Delhi. Thank you, India, for your incredible hospitality and friendship.